So we want to find the amplitude, period, phase shift, and range for this particular graph. So it doesn't say to graph it, just find those pieces. And so the amplitude is going to be what's sitting out in front here, but it's the absolute value of that. We don't care about the negative part. So the amplitude is going to be 3. The period, well, the period for sine is 2 pi, and then it's always divided by what's sitting in front of the x, omega here. In this case, it's a 1, so the period is 2 pi. Phase shift is going to be, if we set this equal to 0 and solve it, we'd have x plus pi equals 0, so x equal negative pi. So our phase shift is negative pi. So this graph is going to be shifted to the left by pi. And then our range is going to be, well, this is going to, it's not shifted vertically, so it's going to oscillate about 0, and it's going to go down first, but it's going to go as low as negative 3 and as high as 3. So that range is going to be from negative 3 to 3. Let's go ahead and look at one more of these. So this time we've got the amplitude, period, and phase shift and range. And so on this one we have the amplitude is sitting right here, so that's going to be 4. The period is going to be 2 pi, and we do have an omega of 2, so the period is going to be pi. And then the phase shift is going to be, well, if we have 2x minus pi over 4 equals 0, that means 2x equals pi over 4, and dividing both sides by 2, x is pi over 8. So the phase shift is pi over 8. It's positive, so it's pi over 8 shifted to the right. Now, as far as our range, again, we don't have any vertical transformation, so the range is going to go as high as 4 and as low as negative 4, so from negative 4 to 4.